Welcome to the show, everybody. It's the Crypto Lark, bringing you your daily dose of cryptocurrency news. After a quick reminder, this, of course, not professional financial advice. This is just a dude talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. Let's jump into the news, guys. Now, the first big story that we have for you today, the Abra CEO predicts Bitcoin price boom will return this year. All hell will break loose, says he. Interesting quotes here. I talk to hedge funds, high net worth individuals, even commodity speculators. They look at the volatility in the crypto market and they see it as a huge opportunity. Once that happens, all hell will break loose. Once the floodgates are opened, they're opened. There really is zero large-scale institutional money from the West in crypto right now that is happening in Japan. Once a large, sizable chunk of Western institutional money starts to come in, watch out. It's a nice bit of positivity, of course, in red days like today. Over in Japan, luxury car dealer to accept Bitcoin as a payment option. Cool. More Lambos to buy, guys. As soon as that Bitcoin price goes up like the Abra CEO thinks, of course, you might want to wait until then. You'll get a cheaper Lambo. I liked this picture from the guys at Smart Cash over in Ghana. Abdul is one of the community members over there, but I just thought it was a great picture to show the growing community of the Smart Cash team over there in West Africa. Why you could soon be voting in a blockchain-powered election. This is an article that talks about the recent election in Sierra Leone. Now, a blockchain-based project, Agora, was there, and some of the media misreported how it was actually operating. They were saying, hey, this is the first blockchain-based national election. Didn't actually quite happen like that. Basically, the Sierra Leone authorities still counted everything the way they always do, but the Agora teams were also there, and they also registered everything on the blockchain as a secondary step. So it didn't actually happen across the blockchain in the way that I would like to see voting happening on the blockchain. But baby steps, guys. We're moving in that right direction anyway. Ripple makes a power move. They go to the website Donors Choose and fund all 35,000 classroom projects for a total of $29 million. Great move for Ripple. Of course, unfortunate that in the USA that, teachers have to go and get funding to buy things for their classrooms, but that's the way it is. Nevertheless, a great move by Ripple, and my hat's off to them for giving back so much to the community. Speaking of giving back, Vitalik and the guys from Omise Go give $1 million to a refugee charity. Also a really great way to spend up some charity money. Well done to those guys for, again, giving back, guys. Crypto gives so much, make sure to give back once in a while. A little bit of news from Swiss Borg. If you are a Swiss Borg token holder, there is a blockchain referendum coming up soon. Help deciding, of course, how to shape the future of Swiss Borg. You will be rewarded for your participation in that referendum. So make sure you get involved, guys. Lastos meeting with the guys from JP Morgan. Interesting how you have this official kind of stance from JP Morgan where they're kind of salty on Bitcoin, whereas in the background, the JP Morgan chief economist is meeting with the guys from Lastos, and you have Amber Baldet, who's literally running the JP Morgan blockchain development side of things. Interesting. Ethereum Classic has removed the difficulty bomb from the coding, so they will be sticking on as a proof of work mining algorithm at the moment. So that is really cool to see them moving themselves a little bit more from Ethereum as far as in terms of development. Neon Exchange has finally come out and decided that yes, as we suspected, U.S. citizens will be excluded from the ICO. Sorry, guys. Rough times being based in the U.S. and having to be cut out of all these great ICOs, but can always grab it on the exchange later, guys. The HiCon ICO is 1 day and a few hours away. They are a Korean-based DAG project. Nebula AI, third generation blockchain, decentralized AI. Of course, both very popular ideas at the moment. Everybody loves third generation blockchains and everybody loves artificial intelligence. They'll be kicking off their token sale here soon. Eden Chain as well, coming up soon for their whitelisting, so you can keep an eye out for that if you do want to get involved. And Omnitude token sale is live. It'll end on the 25th of April or until it's sold out, basically. And of course, finally, we have 2 Lisk t-shirts to give away today. Let's see who is going to get it. Willeke Orn. That is 1 shirt, and of course we still have a ladies shirt to give away. Mac Daddy, I'm assuming that is not for a ladies t-shirt. Let's just see. Oh, here we go. Perfect for the wifey and I. For Darren, I've got an extra shirt here. I will be sending that along for Darren and for the first winner as well. Also, if you want to be in to win tomorrow, I have got a cool Lisk bag for you guys, and I'll throw a t-shirt into that as well. So again, put in the comment section down below if you'd like to be in to win the Lisk bag. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.